I just missed an extremely fast object. A lot faster than the one I caught the other day. Shit. Couldn't hit the record button fast enough. That's crazy. Okay, there is an object. It's not lit up, but it is black. It is right there. I have no idea what it is. Could even be a spider. Maybe that's a spider in a web. Anyway, I just missed the biggest. Well, I won't say the biggest, but by far the fastest object yet. I could not hit the record button fast enough. It was a lot closer and a lot darker than the other one. It came right down the coastline. And I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I think that's a big old spider. I wouldn't want that thing on my face. I bet that's what it is. Let's give this a test, see if it's a spider. I think that's what it is. Good Lord, that's a big spider. I would not want that thing on me at all. We'll find out. Shit. In probably 30 minutes. I can't believe I missed that object. It just burns me up. Sucker fleshy object is back again. Get some kind of interference now, but there's not a cloud in the sky anywhere. Scope's done that several times. I just hadn't been recording it when it did. Whatever this is moving way the hell slow. It's got to be way